Greetings from SKC. I hope you have watched my welcome address in the earlier video. Dear parents, as you all know that I have taken over the additional charge of the acting HM of Nalasopara branch and I am going through certain things. Dear parents, this year we need to change certain process, but this change is for the betterment. We are going to begin this academic year, that is 2021-22 from 28 June. But until then, we will keep our students busy with the meaningful learning videos and also the home assignments. Now, before we begin with this academic year, there are certain formalities to be completed. So I will explain to you these formalities. I welcome you all to this new academic year 2021-22. In this video, I am going to explain this chart. That is the 8 items that parents have to submit and the 5 items that parent will visit during the single visit to the campus. Now, what are these 8 things that parents have to submit? I will explain to you one by one. Item number 1. 4 passport size photographs of students. Dear parents, you will have to submit 4 photographs of the student. 1 for the declaration form, 2 for the I-card and 1 for the school record. Similarly, you will also have to submit 2 photographs of both the parents, that is father and the mother. So, if the parent has to visit the school for any reason, then they can visit the school with the proper I-card. Item number 2 is 1-inch box file. This is the 1-inch box file that parents will have to submit. Now, in this file, we maintain the academic records throughout the year of the child. Please understand that these are the practices which we follow in our Vasai branch. These practices are tried and tested practices, the foolproof practices, which is for the betterment. So, dear parents, we are going to follow these practices like Vasai in the Nalasopara branch also. Item number 3 is the declaration form. This is Annexure A. This is the declaration form. Now, what is the declaration form? In this declaration form, you will have to fill the students' details and most importantly, the WhatsApp numbers, one for the online study of the child and one to receive the very confidential messages or important circulars from the school to the parents. Now, this declaration form will be made available in the school from 17 June between 10 AM and 5 PM. And we will also send this declaration form by PDF in your respective class WhatsApp group. So you have a choice. Either you can collect it from school or you can also take a printout. Item number 4 is the section change form. This is Annexure B. Now this form is applicable only to those students who are promoted to grade 1, 5, 8 and 12. This form you will have to purchase from school by paying ₹100. And if you take a printout at home, then you will have to pay ₹100 during the submission. This section change form will also be sent on your WhatsApp group by PDF. Item number 5 is the amount in cash for purchase of books and app registration cost. Now, this books cost chart you will receive on your WhatsApp group. So, if it is applicable to the class of your child, then you will have to carry that amount and purchase the books. Now, the other important thing is the app registration cost. This app registration cost chart also you will receive on your WhatsApp group. Now, what is this app? This app is the Top Scorer app. Now, in this coming academic year, all the lectures, the online lectures will be conducted on the Zoom platform. Now, along with the Zoom lectures, students will also receive this Top Scorer app. Now, a very important and useful feature of this Top Scorer app is that all the videos in this Top Scorer app is exactly mapped with the State Board textbooks. So, this app is very helpful in self-study. Means after the Zoom lectures are over, the students can watch the videos later. The number of times that the students want to watch, he or she can watch and get the concepts clear. So you will also have to pay the app registration cost. Item number 6 is the outstanding amount. If of the previous academic years there is any outstanding amount, then in this case you will receive a personal call or a message. So accordingly you will have to carry that exact amount and pay during your visit. Item number 7 is the post-dated fee checks. Dear parents, we are going to accept the fee in quarters. So accordingly you will have to submit 5 checks. That is 1 for the initial and 4 for the 4 quarters. For that you will have to open a dedicated bank account, and then accordingly that has to be only for the fee payment, and accordingly you will have to submit 5 checks. This is the fee circular which you will receive. Now according to this circular you will have to submit the 5 checks. You can fill the date, the amount, and you will sign the checks. But the paid to column has to be kept blank. So when you will submit the checks, then at that time the school will stamp the paid to column. So you will have to submit these 5 checks. Now dear parents, in order to understand this fee policy, you will receive a video by the management, and in this video you will get a clear idea about what is the fee policies. Next, item number 8 is the pending documents. During the admission process, if you have failed to submit any document, that is the previous school report card or the leaving certificate or the Aadhaar card copy, or in the college section, if you have not submitted the 10th standard result, the leaving certificate, the passing certificate, then in this visit you will have to submit the pending documents. So dear parents, these are the 8 things that you will have to submit during your single visit to the campus. So we are notifying this to you much earlier so that you come well prepared with all the 8 items to the school and get your formalities completed for the next academic year. These are the 8 items that you will submit. Now what are the 5 items that you will receive from school? Item number 1 is the final report card of the academic year 2020-21. Number 2 is the receipts of the PDCs. That means the post-dated checks which you will submit in school, you will immediately receive the receipt for all the checks that you have submitted. Item number 3 is book set. If you are purchasing the books, then you will receive the book set on that day itself. Item number 4 is the iCard. You are submitting the photographs, so on that day only you will receive the iCard, both the iCards of the parent iCard as well as the student iCard. And item number 5, the last item, is the circular which will consist all the important details and the book list. This is a class-wise book list and the materials which you will have to purchase from outside. So this book list also you will receive that day itself. So dear parents, come prepared with all the 8 items in a single visit only, so that you do not have to visit again and again. So watch this video carefully and come prepared with all the 8 items that you have to submit, and take all the 5 items. We are ready with all the 5 items. So submit 8 items and receive all the 5 items. Now don't miss the next video addressed by the management. Watch the next video and all the videos and ensure that you stay connected and stay safe. SKC Pranam.